Good morning and welcome to day 2 of VlogMas. Day 2 we are going to do a Dollar Tree haul. So with that being said, let's get started because there's a lot of stuff in here to go through, and I'll tell you somewhat of what I'll be doing with what I have here. So let's start off with these plates here. Let's move that over. So we have the Dollar Tree plates, Christmas trees for my table decor. So 6 of these because it's a setting of 6. Not sure how to set it up yet, but we're gonna go with this. These are the Christmas balls from the Dollar Tree. These are the mini Christmas balls. Not sure what I'm gonna do with these yet, but they are for decor. Then we have, now my table theme, you know those Christmas trucks? This is my theme. The colors are my theme. We have the plate. We have, what's they call this? The napkin, cloth napkins, if that's what they call them. Then we have these here, pot holders. We have the pot holders. You see where I'm going with this? Then we have another set of pot holders. These are the plaid ones. I'm going to be doing different. One week is going to be this thing, and the next week is going to be the actual thing. This only had one, so it goes with this. But if you notice, this is gray and this is black. Did notice that, so I picked it up, but we'll work with it. And then we have an apron. This is the Christmas apron. Let's take it out. I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like. Ooh, it's velvet. So it's an apron. I find this cute. So that's the apron. It's an elf apron. Then we have this here. I should have got 2 of these, but I only got 1. This here. Then we have this. And then we have this one here. So that's going to go with the centerpiece. Not sure how, but we won't figure it out. Then we have some ribbon. We have ribbons. Then we have reindeers. Bear with me. This is not gonna be this color. I glue it together. And it's gonna be a napkin holder. Once I straighten out the reindeer. I got some of these cutting tools for fabric. And we have green paint. Not sure for what, but we have it. On to this bag here. This is a lot of quick. Okay, so as I was telling you about this one here, with the truck, the Christmas truck, placemats with the Christmas chart. That's 6 of these. Then we have this 10 thing here. 10K. I was in the store. When I was in the store, I was thinking, make a candle. Make a candle. So stay tuned for that video. Now, this is for gingerbread cookies. This is for gingerbread cookies. This one here is for, what is this? The Elf on the Shelf cookies. We doing my Elf on the Shelf this year. I didn't post yesterday's. Oh well, we did today. Two candle lights. I seen that, thought it was cute. It lights up. That's a that bag. Now for this one. Last but not least. Now y'all know I have grandkids, right? Good. Now you know. We have the candy cane spoons. We have the candy cane spoons and chocolate. It's gonna be little projects I'm gonna do with my grandkids, but they will not be shown on video. Just projects between me and them. Then you have the hot cocoa balls. Six of them. Then you have the chocolate thin mints. Not sure what to do with that. And then we have, what is this? The sweet Christmas marshmallows. They come in different shapes and pink and green, pink and white. That's that. That's the haul. To be honest, I'm missing something. I think I'm missing something. I'm not sure what it is. Whatever it was. But anyway, this is day 2 Vlogmas. Vlogmas day 2. So with that being said, stay tuned for Vlogmas day 3. No. See, this has to be day 2 because day 3 is when I do the before. So the video you seen yesterday, scratch the last part where it says I will be doing the core part because I'm not. This is day 2. So with that being said, thank you for watching my channel. I knew what I was missing. The 2 buckets. I have 2 buckets here. Not sure what I'm doing with them yet, but there's 2 buckets.